UtilAbility enhancements in reporting. UtilAbility now uses an enhanced reporting module. One of the neat features of the reporting module is that as you're selecting each report and you go through the list, you will see a sample of that report in the right-hand pane. And you can see as we go through there's a lot of different reports. We've also added several new reports in this list of all the total reports we have, so that there's many new ones. And if you want to see what they look like before trying to run them with your data, you can certainly have that picture on that right-hand side. To run a report, we will go into the details. You double-click on the report, or you can click the Report Run button at the top. This will open up the report to the parameters screen, where you can specify many different parameters to change the looks and feels for each of the report. All the parameters that are shown in blue are required in order to run the report. So we'll go ahead and put in, we'll go back to first, and we'll go to today. And then we'll go ahead and run it. And you'll see on this report the data that you're looking for. Now we also have what's called a location or index bar. So if I want to see the data of the 522 in this particular report, it brings me up to that 522 section, and I can see that quickly. It's a fast way of indexing into a report. You can also export reports to several different formats. You can save them as PDF files, Excel, or Word, and many others as you see. With parameters, you can, once a report is running, you can go back and change the parameters that are used to run the report. So we can come in here, and let's say we want to change the date. This wasn't the right date. We needed to go back one more month to February 1st. You just click Run, and the report immediately refreshes. You don't have to exit the report and come and rerun the report from scratch. You can simply keep going back and forth. You can also change the margins of a report, change what's portrait, landscape, and things like that. Also, with reports, at the end of each page of the reports, we have the parameters that were used. We print a page showing what parameters were used to make this report up. So here we have a list of parameters. If you go back one page, it starts, it got broken, but so we show the list of parameters there. You can also run multiple reports at the same time. We can minimize this report and come in here and do a journals list, and just give it, go back a couple months to today, and you get a list of all the journals that were created in this report. And again, you see the dates, the effective parameters that were put in for this. Now we show that report. We can minimize that, come back here, and we show both reports being ran. Details and journal. Now also with parameters, you can save parameters so that you can recall them for running the report again at a later date. We're going to go into the one that has a little more parameters. So we'll go back to report, we'll come down here to the details, go to his parameter screen. You have this little save button over here to save a set of parameters. So you can save, let's say we want to sort the inside dates by account. We want to save that, and we want to save my date range. And it will only save whatever you have selected as in this checkbox with the save. You click the save button down here, and you give it, and you name this parameter set. We'll call this one demo. Save it. And now we can run the report. We can close this report and close the other one. And then when we come back into our report selection screen, we will see a plus by any report that we have saved parameter sets for. And you can just double click on that demo and run it, and there are the saved parameters back in there, and just click Run, and you get your report back. Thank you for viewing our UtilAbility enhancement video. For further information on this and other topics, please refer to our online documentation and help files.